Welcome to the sunny farm, little friends. Let's meet some animals and hear the sounds they make.
Here's Mrs. Moo the cow. What sound does cow make? That's right. She says moo, moo. Can you say it with Mrs. Moo? Look who's swimming in the pond. Dizzy the duck. What sound does duck make? Yes, quack, quack, says Dizzy the duck. Can you quack like Dizzy? And who do we have here? It's Pinky the pig. What sound does pig love to make? Oink, oink, goes Pinky the pig. Let's oink with Pinky. Here in the field is Woolly the sheep. Can you guess the sound Woolly makes? Yes, ba ba. That's the sound of Woolly the sheep. Say bow with Woolly. And here's Clucky the chicken and our little chicks. What sound do they make? Yes, cluck cluck and peep peep, says Clucky and her chicks. Let's make some noise with them. Look who's bounding with joy. It's Danny the dog. What sound does Danny make? That's right. Danny says woof woof. Can you woof like Danny? What a fun day at the farm, meeting all our animal friends and learning the sounds they make. Can you remember all the sounds we heard today? Great job! Thanks for joining us on the farm. Say goodbye to our animal friends. Until next time.